Every great system starts as a blank board, waiting for the rules. Then one small key turns curiosity into order, and the bookkeeping process begins. First, source documents become transactions and are recorded in journals and ledgers, so each moment can be found and trusted later. The transactions are recorded using the double-entry bookkeeping system, where every transaction demands an equal partner to match it. Soon, the transactions arrive fast, and the journals and ledgers fill up quickly. At the center sits one steady truth, the accounting equation holding everything else in place. Proof follows behind, giving each transaction a reason, a date, and a trail. With the financial statements, the whole system finally starts to make sense. And when it all clicks together, confidence replaces confusion in an instant. Now you hold the key to build it right and the picture stays true.